Enjoy Read Aloud with Perpustakaan Kite Plus. The Wonders of Nature, River, Lake, and Ocean, Baby Animals by Anne Hardy, illustrated by Andrea Tachiera. Baby polar bears have no hair when they are born, but quickly grow a thick warm coat. A baby emperor penguin reached into its mother's mouth to get food. Baby green turtles hatch on the beach at night and crawl to the ocean. A baby blue whale is as big as two cars and breathes through a hole in its head. Baby Dalmatian pelicans live with other baby pelicans and go to their parents for food. A baby manatee is born underwater and learns to swim beside its mother in just 1 hour. Don't forget to like and subscribe.